Well, hi everybody. My name is Matt Kliskowski, a Photoshop guy for the NAPP. And in this video, we're going to take a look at something called on-image controls. Now, I've been an Adobe Lightroom user for quite a while, and we've had these types of controls inside of Lightroom, and everybody's loved them. Well, now they've made their way over into Photoshop CS4. And when I say on-image controls, I mean a way that you can use the adjustments that you're used to using, like hue and saturation, curves, the black and white adjustment. You can use those adjustments, but instead of having to guess which colors you want to work with, instead you just put your cursor on the image and you're able to just drag up and down and it makes the adjustments for you. So let's take a quick look. One of the first things to know about on-image controls is what adjustments you can use them with. You can use it with the hue saturation adjustment, the curves adjustment, or the black and white adjustment. So I'll demo a couple right here. First off, let's go to our adjustments panel because that's pretty much the best way to add adjustments now. And we'll go down here to hue saturation. And when the box opens, you'll see that there's this little hand with an arrow on it. All right, that's your on-image adjustment. And when you click it to turn it on, you can move your cursor over the image. And now, for example, I'm not quite sure what color I would want to target to kind of boost the color of the horse here. So instead of having to figure out what color it is, you just move over the area of the image that you want to adjust, and then you click and you drag to the right to increase the saturation, or you drag to the left to decrease the saturation. So we'll kind of boost the saturation a little bit of the horse here. We'll do the same thing, click on the yellow helmet, and you'll see that the list up here, see how it changes to yellow? So it automatically picks the color for us. And I'll do the same thing right over here, and you'll see it changes over to cyans. Okay, so what it's done here is it let me adjust the actual controls by clicking on the image, and it's also left me with an adjustment layer. So now I can turn that off, and you can see before and then after. All right, so let's take a look at another one here. We've got black and white. We'll go and convert over to black and white, and you can do the same thing here. Just click on your little on-image adjustment icon, and if you want to make the sky brighter, you can click and drag it to the right. If you want to make the sky darker, you can drag it over to the left. Same thing, let's say we maybe want to make the mountain a little bit brighter here, and we can click and drag. And the nice part about it is we just don't have to remember which colors everything was, especially when you're converting to a black and white. Now, obviously, I know the sky was blue, but you can kind of forget what colors everything was. You don't have to remember that anymore because you just click on it and you drag it and it moves the sliders for you. All right, so there you have the on-image control adjustments inside of Photoshop CS4. Takes the guesswork out of it because now all you got to do is put your cursor over something, click and drag, and it takes care of it for you.